Hello everyone and welcome to my third video about how to change Notepad to HTML. In this video I'm going to tell you how to add a JavaScript link. So first we go to where we did the HTML and CSS. Let's give this if you want to, I'm sure some people that are watching this video will know more about JavaScript. Let's add a button tag. So let me close the button tag. So after I've done the button tag, let's give it a class of click me. So this click me, let me just leave it like that. So ID of demo. So let's give this body a script. So scripts. If you want to do the inline JavaScript in the script or the JavaScript code I did, you can paste it inside the JavaScript. So we have to open the script tag if you want to do the link. If you want to do the link, do a script src, then in the src put the link. Script src, then src script dot javascript. So close it, then do the closing tag. So after I run the closing tag, we'll go and open another notepad. So notepad. So the notepad, I'm going to say function, and I know some of you will be more or less JavaScript now. So you can do any JavaScript function, you know. So function, I'm going to say change. Let me not do change. I'm going to documents. Function. Let me start with the function first. Change is equals. Let me not do. Is equals to documents dot get element by ID. Let me close the tag. So get element by ID will now be I gave it an ID of, what ID did I give it? Let me go back to the HTML demo. So dot inner HTML. So dot inner HTML is going to be equals to hello world. So in this function change, we can give it a class of click change. Let's go here. Then we give it on click of change. So let's go and save it. So first we'll do the JavaScript. File save as script.javascript save. Stars.css. Also, I've changed some things in it. That's why I want to resave it again. Index3.html save. So yes. So let's go to the page. Let's check if we get a click me. So since the button is not working, let's go to the script to check. So here, let me do on click of change. Since it's not working, scripts.javascript, let me check this. HTML because to hello world. Let's check. Wow. So if you don't get this, you can restart the video and check it. So we have learned how to change a notepad to HTML. We have learned how to add CSS link, and I have learned how to add JavaScript link. So I thank you for watching this video. If you don't get anything, just watch the video, open it again, start from the first part of the video to the last part of the video, and I thank you. God bless you.